beside you?
Alright, go next door.
Well, that's a fine how do you do. That's our barely handyman Percy.
So you just moved in with Spaz Girl?
Do you mean Victoria?
I was standing right here.
How long you...
The whole time? You always ignore me.
Well, you always annoy me too.
I said ignore.
I said annoy.
See, I told you he's mean.
Very sorry to wake you.
You didn't wake me, this is just what I look like. Wait, you moved in today?
Yeah.
What time is it?
2:30.
PM?
Welcome to the land of the living. Sometimes you gotta speak slowly to the Polacks.
Speak of the welcoming committee.
Would you get her ding-dang keys? You hung them where I can't reach them.
Yeah, that was a total accident. Hey, Norma, I don't recognize that van across the street.
I'll be right back.
2 months here and you already lost 2 keys?
I didn't lose them, they're just missing.
Let me get decent, I'll show you around. Silver key is the laundry room, gold key, mailboxes.
The building manager. Does she have a Mata Hari complex?
A what?
She's been spying on us this whole time.
Yeah, never let her house sit for you. It's just an excuse to snoop through your stuff. She's got a slight vendetta against everyone else's ethnicity, otherwise harmless.
Everyone else's? Why, what's hers?
I don't know, nut job, is that one? Good job, Abnorma.
Bite me.
I get my rent reduced anytime I fix something, so feel free to break things. Just cash my last unemployment check. Welcome to Crazy Night.
Mind if I paint?
I can't find my work shirt. Have you seen a bow tie?
Didn't you just get home from work?
No, this is for my other job.
How many do you have?
3, but one doesn't count because it's volunteering.
Like for a charity or something?
No, I intern at this company, which is basically indentured servitude, but it sounds more noble when you tell people you're volunteering.
Would you help me punch up my resume?
Really? You'll see.
We've got no hot water.
Pilot light. That's a bag of groceries.
Oh, thank you for cleaning the bathroom. Sorry, I haven't had a day off in 3 weeks. I've been showering at the gym. Plus that, thing scared me. You know that black piece of moist
Yeah, we don't
nastiness?
have to talk about the thing. Is that an earthquake?
I don't think so. It sounded more like an explosion. Oh, there's my shirt. Oh, shoot, it has a stain. Oh, they're gonna yell at me. Okay, there is a bottle of detergent in one of these boxes.
Hey, so you guys have a ventilation problem, and it's a little bit beyond my expertise, so I'm gonna call the gas company.
Hold on a sec. You have to run it by me before you bring over any spooks.
The CIA runs all the utility companies.
They don't run the utility companies. Their agents pose as technicians, and they gather information when they make house calls. You don't have to make me sound like an idiot.
Anyway, if you guys want to use my shower, that is totally...
Not paying one dime for that hot water here, let me tell you what. You know, what is the makeup of that Amelia anyway? A little bit of mixed breed, a little squaw on there?
What?
You know, squaw, like Pocahontas. Don't be dead.